there are two colors. There are two colors, which is blue or green. There are two colors, blue or green. In how many ways? In how many ways can I color 10 floors of a building? 10 floors of a building such that 10 floors of a building such that no two consecutive floors has the same green color. No two consecutive floors has the same green color. Another beautiful application of a Fibonacci sequence. There are two colors, only two colors are used, that is blue or green. In how many ways can I color 10 floors of a building such that no two consecutive floors has the same green color? Suppose floor 1 is there. Floor 1 can be colored in either blue by using blue color or green color. That means first floor, how many ways I can color it? 2 ways I can color it. First floor, I can color it in 2 ways. Suppose second floor. Second floor, what is the condition in the question? No two consecutive floors has the same green color. If it is blue, it can be green. It can be blue. Are you all with me? If the first floor is green, second floor cannot be green. It can be blue. That means second floor, it is 3 ways. Second floor, it is 3 ways. Are you all with me? If the before floor is blue, they can take 2 wings, green or blue. If the before floor is green, I will only get another way blue. So F2, here it is blue. I can do blue and blue. I can do blue and green. Or I can do blue and green, or green means blue. What is that you observed? First floor 2 ways. I hope it is clear. Second floor it is 3 ways. Third floor it is how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again fourth floor 2 ways. Again 2 ways. Again 2 ways. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. So 2, 3, 5, 8. Again which sequence it is forming? It is forming a Fibonacci sequence. This is 5. So F1 equivalent to 2, F2 equivalent to 3, F3 equivalent to 5, F4 equivalent to 8, F5 equivalent to 13, F6 equivalent to 21, F7 it is 34, F8 it is 55, F9 81, 89, F10 is nothing but in how many ways can you color it such that no two consecutive floors has the same green color, right? It will not have any same green color. Even the answer is also the same if the question is no two consecutive floors has the same blue color. Answer is 144. Why we are discussing these two sequence? The first thing we learnt is 3 consecutive Fibonacci values always forms a triangle.